The Water Cycle by Michael. The sun is where it all begins. The sun is what starts it all by turning the water into water vapor, and the vapor rises up into the air and forms a cloud. The ocean. The ocean is a large and salty body of water. 97% of the Earth's water is from the ocean. Without the ocean, there would be no water cycle, because the water evaporates, rises, and turns into a cloud. You will learn more about that later on. Evaporation. Evaporation is when the sun dries out water and the water turns to a fog, rises into the air, and forms a cloud or builds onto one. Condensation is when water builds upon glass, breaks apart, and turns to a fog. Condensation happens when warm air and cold air mix together. For example, my glass might be cold on the inside, warm on the outside. That would cause sweat. Sweat would build up on my glass and make condensation. All of this stuff. That's what we're dealing with in America. Little droplets of water. This right here. And it's smelling pretty good. Clouds. Clouds are made up of millions of tiny little droplets of water from the ocean that evaporated, rose into the sky, and made a cloud. Cloud steps. Eventually, the water drops get too heavy for the clouds and fall to the ground as rain. Down to the ground, down like this. Yay! Storm over here. Yes, it's a good cloud. Now it's just falling out of the sky randomly. Precipitation. Precipitation is pretty much everything that falls from the clouds. The 4 different forms of precipitation are rain, snow, hail, and sleet. Sleet is pretty much a mix of snow and frozen ice. Well, actually, just snow and rain. The land. The land absorbs the rain and takes it to the lowest level it can, which is like way, way deep in the ground. Deep. Well, I don't really know. The water travels through the river, through the ground to a river. It is a thin and flowing body of water that takes rainwater that's soaked into the land and it in the river right to the ocean, just like this. The end, but not the water cycle.